Yeah, brava Lauretta. Nice. Ooh la la. So I've been reflecting while you were busy setting up the tripod, the camera, the things and the stuff. And I'm just sitting here, people watching in London, and I like my mind took me back. I want to tell you a little story. So a couple of years ago, I thought that doing a food photography workshop with National Geographic would be an incredible idea. And so I was like, I pitched it. I pitched the idea to Sabera, the event manager. And I was like, hey, by the way, because we did the masterclass. Okay, so scusa, backtrack a little. So, okay, they called me to teach a masterclass on travel photography online. This was like during COVID, no? Was it?
Yeah,
something
it was
like that.
2 years ago,
Yeah.
for sure.
So, okay, so I did that. It was super fun. And then I thought, okay, but wait a minute, because every year they do oh, thank you very much. Every year they do a food festival. And I was like, che cazzo, I'm a food photographer, so who better than me could teach a food and travel photography workshop? And so I pitched the idea to Sabera. I was like, hey, by the way, like, why don't we do a quick hands-on workshop in food photography at your food festival? And they were like, that's a brilliant idea. And then for 2 years that didn't happen because, you know, like things move slowly in the event world. So the year after I pitched it again and they were like, oh, sorry, you know, we already did the program for this year. So this year is not going to happen. And then a few months ago, before this festival, they contacted me and they were like, hey, Giulia, by the way, bam, we are ready to go with your idea. This year we're gonna do the food photography masterclass. Do you wanna lead it? And I was like, oh, fuck, yeah, of course I wanna do it. Fuck Sabera, this is the great news. So. I'm so excited that you're all here. I'm excited to be here. Bit nervous, but we're gonna smash it. We're gonna do it together. So my name is Giulia, and today we are going to talk about food photography in the field. So how to shoot amazing magazine-grade photos anywhere, anytime, with a very simple studio setup that you can take with you anywhere. And it's going to make your photos look great, even if you are in the darkest of restaurants, in the bat cave, on the moon, anywhere. And in London doubles up as a very handy umbrella sometimes.
We come to the end of the class and she's like, oh, all right, see you next week, or good luck shooting this and that. She goes into that like happy chappy state, so she goes back to 7. I've never met someone whose age fluctuates over 1 hour. But in you know, in Giulia's case, she has a specific set of DNA.
Yeah.
She goes up and down.
It's the carbs.
Yeah.
It's the carbs.
The Italian.
Italian carbs.
So
So the thing is that, yes, you can shoot all those beautiful photos, but today we had like 4 workshops, and then every time there were like a lot of people, so they were like next to each other, and then it was like quite hard to be honest, anything to eat. So yes, we shoot all those beautiful photos.
But my brain is fried and my stomach is empty.
Yes.
And I'm hungry.
So we go for fast food, kind of healthish, and then yes, so all the Michelin stars, but then sometimes you need some comfort in your food.
Amen.
Yes.
Mangiamo.
You were a photographer, and then Charlie was on the first day as well as a
Yes.
photographer. And
Yes.
then we went to Charlie's class as well. It was so beautiful, like so many good, but they were like super complimentary workshops.
Yeah.
I would say that one was like in a studio setup, and yours was like on the road,
Yes.
like while traveling
Yeah,
and
yeah,
everything. So it was good.
Yeah,
I
they
really
did a
liked
really
it.
good job mixing it up. And
Yeah.
Charlie was amazing. Hi, Charlie. Hi. So, like, Charlie was amazing. He shoots all of their banners.
Maybe we can put
and-
some photo here or something.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Somewhere,
here
somewhere.
But Charlie was amazing.
Yeah,
His his
really
delivery
good.
was impeccable. I love his work. Go check him out. Beautiful stuff.
Yeah, and then the food festival itself, like, I mean, like, I didn't actually even expect it that big. Like, there were so many stands, like, different things happening at the same time, like cooking shows, so it's like, it's really, really cool and inspiring, especially when
Yeah.
you're interested into food. Then this is like a must-go something.
Yeah,
It's just like all the food enthusiasts and everything. It's just like you go there and you just find so much inspiration. Because to be honest, I had like quite a creative blog. Maybe I will do another video on creative blogs. We're gonna do another video on creative blogs because we both have like had these struggles, and like these kind of events sometimes like they get me like back on track or so.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, really
Actually,
good.
this is a very good point.
Yeah.
I remember. So, okay. Oh, maybe we have some footage of that. When we were talking, there was a chef that we met at the book stand, and we had a chat with him, and he was super inspired. He was also very inspired by like the whole festival. He was like, "Oh my god, I went to this cooking class, a cooking show, and I learned how to use this ingredient, and I learned how to use that ingredient." And then we were just like flicking through like cookery books and food books, and I personally got really, really inspired about what's next for me, like what my next challenge is gonna be as a photographer. But I won't spoil it yet. That's
keep
another
on the-
blog.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh,
It's in London.
well.
Where's your umbrella? The photography one.
Don't worry, I have it. I got inside joke with all the 100 people who kind of like attended our workshop. Thank you so much for coming, everyone. My heart is so full of rainbows and gratitude, and just like it was such an amazing experience.
Yes. And like leave a, like some kind of comment below as well. Like if you were in the festival, like let me know, let us know how did you find it, and just let's keep the interaction going.
Yeah,
It's
for
so
sure.
cool.
And if you have questions about, or like actually, if you have like ideas for if we're gonna do other workshops like this or vlogs, what would you like us to blab about? Or to teach you about, or like what would you like to learn, what would you inspire you, what are your struggles at the moment, and like how can we help you overcome those challenges? So this is like, we want this to be like a diary interactive type thing, so please like engage with us. We are very friendly. You might have figure that. But super nice.
I think we can wrap it here. Yeah.
I guess so. Basta. There is only so much we can talk about. Stuff.
So subscribe.
And your lips are all yellow from the turmeric latte.
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 I like yellow.
Yellow likes you, clearly.
That's a great start. So
subscribe.
Yes.
Comment. Like, let us know your thoughts, and we will see you super soon.
Ciao.
Ciao.
This is a super professional table in the kitchen. So beautiful.
Madame, would you like some raw carrots?
Yes, please.
Your raw pepper, because we cannot cook.
Yes, can I have some raw pepper, please?
Yes, and crunchy and fresh. Delicious. Buonissimo.